For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a parking lot business can be a lucrative venture, especially in busy urban areas where parking space is limited. With the increasing demand for convenient parking, a well-managed parking lot can generate steady income. Today, free AI tools make it easier than ever to plan, launch, and grow your parking lot business without a big upfront investment in consultants or market research firms. This guide will walk you through the step-by-step process of starting a parking lot business using free AI tools, complete with suggested AI prompts to maximize your efficiency and effectiveness. Step 1. Conduct market research and feasibility analysis. The first step is to understand the demand and competition in your target area. Use AI-powered research tools to gather data on local parking demand, pricing, and competitor lots. For example, ChatGPT can help you draft questions or analyze existing data. Google Trends and Google Maps, combined with AI insights, can provide information about high-traffic zones and existing parking availability. A useful ChatGPT prompt could be: analyze the parking demand and competition in city/area and suggest potential profitable locations for a parking lot business. This helps you gain a preliminary understanding of the market and decide where to locate your lot. Step 2. Develop a business plan. Creating a solid business plan is essential to guide your startup and attract potential partners or lenders. Use AI to help structure and write your business plan. ChatGPT can draft the plan's outline, executive summary, marketing strategy, operational plan, and financial projections. A recommended prompt for this step is: create a detailed business plan for starting a parking lot business in city, including market analysis, revenue streams, operational plan, and marketing strategies. You can further refine sections by asking AI to expand on financial models or competitor analysis. Step 3. Identify and secure the location. A parking lot business heavily depends on location. Use AI-assisted tools such as Google Earth and OpenStreetMap for site scouting. AI image recognition can help identify underutilized lots or spaces. You can also use ChatGPT to draft emails or negotiation scripts to approach property owners or real estate agents. An example prompt: write a professional inquiry email to a property owner about leasing or buying land suitable for a parking lot in specific area. Step 4. Understand legal requirements and permits. Every city or county has regulations regarding parking lots, such as zoning laws, permits, and safety requirements. Use AI chatbots like ChatGPT to compile a checklist of local regulations by inputting your location details. For example, you could ask, list the legal permits and regulations required to start and operate a parking lot business in city/state. This step ensures you stay compliant and avoid costly legal issues. Step 5. Design your parking lot layout and infrastructure. An efficient and safe parking lot design improves user experience and maximizes space. Free AI design tools like SketchUp Free or Floor Planner, combined with ChatGPT guidance, can help you plan your layout. Ask ChatGPT for suggestions on optimizing space usage and safety features with a prompt such as: suggest the best parking lot layout for a 10,000 square foot lot that maximizes capacity and ensures safety for cars and pedestrians. You can then use the design tools to create visual plans. Step 6. Set up technology for parking management. Technology plays a big role in modern parking operations. Free AI tools can assist you in selecting and implementing parking management systems, such as payment processing, ticketing, or license plate recognition. Use ChatGPT to research available options by asking: compare free or low-cost parking management software options and their features. You can also ask for help creating customer support scripts or troubleshooting guides for your staff. Step 7. Create a marketing plan. Attracting customers is critical for your parking lot success. AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva's free design tool can help you develop a marketing strategy and promotional materials. Use ChatGPT to generate a marketing plan prompt. Develop a marketing plan for a new parking lot business targeting commuters and local businesses in city. Include online and offline marketing tactics. Canva can then be used to design flyers, social media posts, or signage. Step 8. Estimate financials and funding needs. You need to understand your startup costs, operational expenses, and projected revenues. AI can help you create financial projections and identify funding options. Use ChatGPT with a prompt such as, create a financial forecast for a parking lot business with estimated startup costs, monthly expenses, and revenue based on charging $X per hour and an average occupancy of Y cars. You can also explore free budgeting tools like Google Sheets with AI-assisted formulas to track expenses. Step 9. Implement customer service and operations plan. Customer experience is vital for repeat business. Use AI to draft customer service policies, training manuals, and operational checklists. ChatGPT can assist with prompts like, write a customer service policy for a parking lot business that handles payments, security concerns, and customer complaints professionally. This ensures your staff is prepared to provide high-quality service. Step 10. Launch and monitor performance. Once your parking lot is operational, continuously monitor key performance indicators, KPIs, such as occupancy rates, revenue, and customer feedback. Use AI-powered analytics tools like Google Data Studio or free CRM tools to visualize and track your data. ChatGPT can help you analyze trends or generate reports with prompts like, summarize the monthly performance of my parking lot business based on occupancy and revenue data and suggest areas for improvement. In conclusion, starting a parking lot business with the help of free AI tools is entirely achievable with careful planning and execution. By leveraging AI for market research, business planning, marketing, and operations, you save time and reduce costs while increasing your chances of success. The key is to systematically follow each step and use AI's capabilities to support decision-making and efficiency. With dedication and smart use of technology, your parking lot business can become a profitable venture in a high-demand market. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.